Get ready to get busy on this episode of Library Make. Summer means sun, fun, popsicles, and sometimes really long car trips. So today's craft is ideal to combat boredom. I'll be walking you through creating a DIY busy board filled with sensory activities made with easy-to-find materials you probably already have at home. Keep watching to learn how.
To make this craft, you'll need a flat piece of cardboard, scissors, a hole punch, yarn or shoelace, brads, construction paper, markers, pony beads, sandpaper or felt, hot glue, and various pop-top bottle lids. Let's get crafting. Before we start, I want to emphasize the importance of customizing this busy board for your child's interests and skill level. Let my busy board be a starting point for you to create something awesome for your child's learning. Now, let's jump in. I'll be creating 5 different learning areas on our board today. Lacing, counting beads, sensory letters, a clock, and bottle tops. For lacing, punch either parallel or random holes in the cardboard. You can do this with either a brad or a hole puncher. Threading can be done with yarn or a shoelace. For counting beads, punch 2 holes in the cardboard far enough apart to string desired length of yarn. Knot one end of the yarn around a brad, then string beads with enough room for them to move around, tying the other end to another brad. Then, push brads through cardboard, folding both ends back to secure. For sensory letters, draw and cut out letters onto sandpaper or felt, or both. Then hot glue onto the cardboard. Create small words or individual letters. For the practice clock, trace a circle of any size and write in clock face with numbers. In the center, make a hole so that a brad can be pushed through. Create clock hands with construction paper and attach them to the cardboard with a brad. Make sure it's loose enough that the hands can move freely. For bottle tops, hot glue a pop top from a bottle onto the cardboard, making sure it's sturdy enough to handle the top being taken on and off.
This busy board is all about being able to exercise important early literacy skills on the go. Lacing and bottle tops help little ones with dexterity and motor skills, while counting beads, the practice clock, and sensory letters create easy opportunities to practice letter recognition, counting, and telling time. As a portable lap activity, the board can go anywhere your child does, making sure they don't miss out on improving their skills over the long break. So go ahead, soak up the sun this summer. Just don't forget your sunscreen or this boredom-busting busy board. Happy making!